What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Been a little while since we had a hat haul, and we got a little couple of somethings. Fresh rags over here in Florida, in the Orlando area. I was running a 40% off site-wide sale recently, so I grabbed some Rays hats, a couple of Marlins hats, some in my true size that I normally wear of 7 1/8. I am cutting. I'm 8 days away from stepping on stage, so my head's a little small. Head size is a little smaller. Right now, I do have two A-frame adjustables that, will be able to fit fine. I do have a size 7 Marlins that should fit fine, but mostly 7 1/8, so they're going to look like they're floating on me right now. When I get back into the off-season, they'll fit more comfortably. So they're going to kind of look stupid on me right now, but I figure we'll check them out together. Let's kick it. So they got all in this bag. A couple of them fell out. Boy, these are clean. We got some nice hats here, that's for sure. So real quick, we'll just pan through them as we go, I guess. Here we have a Tampa Bay Rays. All new era hats, by the way. We got a 5950 camo, 7 1/8, which is my usual size. We got the baby blue outline with the silver 3D stitching, white and baby blue. 20th anniversary patch. Metallic silver MLB on the back. Undervisor is gray. Like I said, these are going to float on me. They're going to be quite big. Not too bad. Like, I could wear it if I really wanted to, but I got a lot of space right here. So in the off season, when everything kind of fills out a bit more, this should fit really well. Like I said, it's not so big that I can't pull it off right now if I really wanted to, but definitely got plenty of room to tuck ears right now with the sizing currently. So, but very clean hat. Baby blue being my favorite because I'm a North Carolina fan, and I love a good camo hat. So here we have it. First one, Tampa Bay Rays 20th anniversary patch, camo with baby blue and metallic silver. Next in the pipeline, another Tampa Bay Rays. Here we have a burgundy and burnt orange metallic. Slick looking, right? Another 7 1/8. 25th anniversary patch. The matching, it's like a copper color metallic. Burnt orange, copper metallic. Gray undervisor. Let's see how this one fits. Now, this one's huge. This one's bigger than the camo one was. I definitely have a bit more room on this one. Not one I would even attempt to really wear around right now because it's floating on me. But again, in the off season, my head will fill out a bit more to where I can wear these hats better. But this is a cool looking color. I do like my burgundies. I do have several outfits, sneakers, and so on that are a crimson, cardinal red, burgundy, maroon type of color scheme. Adidas stuff, Nike stuff, dark sport, just all the different, brands that I like to rock. So, cool looking hat. I just can't wear it currently, but Tampa Bay Rays 25th anniversary hat. Now, we've got a size 7 Florida Marlins floral print. Check this one out. Kind of wild, right? I saw that and I was like, yes, please. And lo and behold, I think the only size they had was a 7. And I was like, oh, that totally works out. Floral print, very tropical, No patch. And it has a very 3D embossed pink, two-tone pink MLB logo in the back. Gray undervisor. This one should fit pretty well. Yeah, I totally rock this one right now. I'm going to line it up. Bill even bends a little bit. So, I might, when I fill out, I might have to stretch this one a little bit because this one fits perfectly. I got just the right amount of space right here to where it's not like a pinch point right here in the middle, but it's snug enough to where it's naturally curving the bill. That's when they fit perfect for me. So this 7 fits absolutely perfect on me right now. It's a good looking color too. Love the pinks. We got two-tone khaki and beige with some pinks, a little hit of green. Good looking hat. I might rock this one this week. So yeah, there we go. Florida Marlins. I forgot exactly what series this release is, but size 7 fits really good. We got another Florida Marlins here, size 7 1/8. Just love the color scheme of it. You got metallic silver with purple and a kind of faded royal blue, if you will. All-Star game patch. 2019 in Cleveland. Got the blue and the purple on the backside. Gray undervisor. We actually have one of these in here. Wasn't expecting that. It looks like it might fit pretty well. Yeah, I could wear this one if I really wanted to. It's not floating on me. Yeah, we're good. Let me get the focus back in and we'll be in good shape, right? It doesn't want to focus, apparently. See if I can get the focus back on my face. There we go. adjust it on the camera. But yeah, good looking hat. I can actually wear it right now. So it's not too big. It's loose, like I can pull it. I'm pulling it forward to make it loose like that, but it fits comfortably. Like this is a 7 1/8 I can get away with wearing right now. I might bring this one to the competition in Alabama. Depends. I haven't really picked the outfits for the weekend, but I mean, obviously not for when I got spray tan and body oil on, but there's other times that I won't have that on, leading into the day before check-ins, and we're heading home the next day. Gonna be fitted up, so might rock this one. But yeah, this one actually fits. I can wear this one while cutting. This is a 7 1/8 I can wear during competition season. So, yep. Florida Marlins, 7 1/8. Another Tampa Bay Rays. Got another burgundy with purple, the old Devil Rays logo. 7 1/8. Tropicana Field patch. This piece of fuzz. On the back, we've got the outlined in purple with gold metallic MLB logo. Green undervisor. Good looking hat. I got a lot of Rays hats. I can wear this one if I really wanted to. Doesn't float on me. It fits about like that last Florida Marlins does. I can totally rock this one. During competition season, I could totally get away with this one. Yep. Does this have a New Era flag? It does. It just blends in. Okay. Yeah, I can totally wear this one. Good looking hat. I've been slowly building, because I've always had Marlins hats. Love the Florida Marlins logo. Always have. I've been building my Tampa Bay Ray hat collection since I moved to Florida. And I've got quite a bit now. I like all the different logos, really. Especially the retro look with the actual Devil Ray, or the word Rays. That's probably my favorite one, where it just says Rays. But I do like having some of these, and certain color combinations really work. And to me, this one works. So we have a burgundy, purple visor, green undervisor, Tampa Bay Rays. Now I forgot which minor league team this is. I know it's somewhere in Florida. Something tortoises of some kind. It just looked cool. Love the minor league hats. Very banana yellow. We've got, turquoise, teals, and greens. Florida State League, established 1919 patch. Good looking. Definitely good looking. MILB logo in the back matches everything. With the teal undervisor, everything's color matched. Looks good. Looks like it might be a little big on me right now, though. Yeah, it kind of floats on me a little bit. If I really wanted to, I could rock it, but bit more space. This is one I'll have to fill out a little bit more to wear comfortably. I forgot which team it is, but man, it's a good looking hat. That's a good summer hat right here. Love it. I'm not familiar with the team, but I like the hat. So I was like, shit, I'm buying the hat. I think they paid like $24 for it. Everything was 40% off. So yeah, haven't bought a minor league hat in a while. I got a small collection of minor league hats, just random teams, and it's definitely considerably random, but yeah, good looking hat. Yeah, I could totally pull this one off, actually. It's not floating as bad as I thought it would be at first. It's pretty comfortable. Yeah. So here we go. Nice little minor league hat. Now on to the A-frame adjustables. I forgot what series this is. They had 5950s and they had these 940 A-frames. So we got Tampa Bay Rays, multicolored 3D logo style, World Series patch. Got the blended New Era flag, gray undervisor. It's a 940 A-frame with the translucent snap attachment. Okay, I like that. Based on my current head size, I'm thinking one snap in might be the way to go. And I was right. One snap in is the way to go. And yeah, I can definitely, obviously, wear this one right now. That's a good looking hat. I've been getting more into the A-frames with that little peak. I never liked the A-frames prior, but like I have some dark sport hats that are strictly A-frame. You either get their fitted hats, their flat bills, or some of them are New Era, some of them aren't. That's why I didn't say 5950. Or when you get their adjustable hats, they're A-frames. And I've gotten used to the A-frame. I used to not like it. I didn't think it really looked okay. But as my jawline has been contoured more, I'm not fat face guy like I used to be years ago anymore. Even in the off season, I'm not fat face guy because I haven't been fat in years, So yeah, the A-frames I've gotten used to. I like the patch on it, the World Series patch, multicolored with a cream color base, black visor. It's just good neutral hat. I think I can wear this with pretty much anything. Like, obviously, like royal blues and stuff like that, it won't really go with, because you got red, teal green, yellow, purple. You got black and white, cream colors. You know, I'm thinking like royal blue, navy blue, maybe not so much. But then again, it's kind of fun color hat. I think it'll pretty much go with anything. But yeah, I think it looks good. Definitely one I can pull off for pretty much anything. And last but not least, spring training Tampa Bay Rays with the Realtree Camo Undervisor. They had the Realtree Camo print all over. I think it was just the 5950. I don't know if the A-frame had that option too. I think they had both for the A-frame and both for the 5950. But I wanted this specifically. I like the Kelly green, almost a forest green, with the hit of Realtree Camo underneath. Devil Rays logo in the back. It's got the metallic stitching on it with the classic Rays color scheme. You know, 90s, 2000s. Again, with that clear snap. I do like that. Should fit the same. 940 A-frame. Should be able to go one snap. One snap fits perfectly. Now, this bill has a little bit softer flex to it, but oh, yeah. Because the reason I look right here is like that's where the playback window is. Like that's I can see myself right here next to, you know, like the little screen on the camcorder itself, but I got a bigger screen right here up on the monitor. For any of you ever wondering, then watch. If I look this way, I'm looking at feedback from what you're looking at is what's going on here. So yeah. Yeah, this is the one. This is the best of the bunch. I'm wear this tomorrow. Day this video comes out, I'm gonna wear this hat. Probably gonna wear it to the gym. Yep, I like it. I'm glad I bought it. So, A-frame, Rays, spring training, Realtree Undervisor. Well, that's all the hats. I'll get all those stickers off and everything. For those of you that wear your stickers on your hats, why? I know that was a trend that was started like 20 years ago. Why? Why is that still happening? Are you planning on reselling the hat you've been sweating in? Why do you leave the tags on it? Don't look cool to me. Some of you might get mad and be hateful in the comments, and that's fine. It's my opinion. Dear friends of mine, every time I see them with a new hat, I'm like, take fucking tags off. Why are the tags on the hat? Why? I was bad about leaving the hologram was the only little sticker I used to leave, but I don't do that anymore either. It's like, why are you leaving tags on the hat? Like, I don't want to walk around with this on my head. I don't. Or in this case, how it's under like that, they do that a lot. Why? Take that off. Let me show you something. I'm gonna help y'all. I'm gonna help y'all be big boys. All right. See this? And there's old heads and unks and all that are doing it. That's because that's 20 years ago who started the trend is the unks. The current unks started this fucking trend. Stop it. That fucker's on there. So they've had this hat sitting for a little while apparently. Because that adhesive is like gummy. So, see that? See, there's the two stickers. Now they're not on there. And there's no stickers on the hat. And when I put the hat on, it's just a nice, clean hat with no stickers. Take the fucking stickers off your hats, guys. Let's kill that trend. That's been stupid for the 20 years that has been, 20 plus years it's been going on. It's been stupid from the start, in my opinion. I don't care who wants to get mad in the comments. I'm saying it here and now in public forum. Take your fucking stickers off your hats. The shit looks stupid on everyone. Every single human that does it. Take the stickers off your hats. Thanks for watching, though. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, which I'm sure some of you are going to get rowdy about these stupid fucking stickers in the comments. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.